Okay, just up the Cocktail Island. It's time for the room tour. Let's go check it out. Go down your own little private little walkway. This is Pool Villa number 6. So you come down here, so you got the land room here, and the swimming pool. There's the ocean. It's all completely private. Come into your bedroom. How good is that? Go to the shower and toilet, which is outside. Look at that. There's the toilet. There's your basin. How good is that? Shower outside. That is cool. Pretty cool. Come out that door. Come through to this door. Big chairs. The swimming pool. And you got like a little sunken lounge over there. We go check out the lounge room. Come out of your bedroom. You come over here. And you got another look lounge room. Sit down, watch TV, have drinks, tea and coffee, beer. Come out here to your sunken lounge. See when you open up the door. Look at that. How good's that? There's a pool. Some chairs. How good's that? If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. You find the swimming pool. It's not too bad, is it? Hey? There's the walkway up to the front gate. How's that? Bad, is it?